If you have started learning the CSS and you want to master Flexbox in it, then you can just visit a few websites where you can play games based on the Flexbox. Some of those websites are codingfantasy.com, where you can just visit its official website, codingfantasy.com, and you have to click on the games, then scroll a bit, and there you will find Flexbox Adventure. You have to click on the button there, and then you just need to select your difficulty level, whether you want to play easy, medium, or hard, and then click on play game. Now here you will see the levels starting from level 1 to showing 24. You have to write the right properties of the display flex, according to which the player will eat the fruit. And this is how there are different levels in this website. By playing this game, you can improve your Flexbox skills. In the CSS, there are total 24 levels based on the difficulty level you have selected. And similarly, there are two more websites. One is Flexbox Froggy, and the last one is Mastery Games. So you can check these websites to improve your CSS Flexbox skills.